finish. This might take 3 hours, who knows. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Holy crap, I have behind me a mountain. It literally goes all the way back behind this pile. There is so many boxes, packages, oh my gosh. Today's gonna be a long video probably, unless I edit it and it's not too long. Welcome back to episode 2 of my Going Solo Diaries. Let me know what you guys think so far. If you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Make sure to go subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and you know, comment your favorite thing that I am including in today's video. Currently, I'm at my godparents' house. They have been so sweet and kind for letting me use their garage to store all of my stuff. I feel terrible. There's still boxes in the garage of multiple things that I didn't want to bring in here because they're like so ginormous. But let's just rapid fire open these boxes. And yeah, I forgot a lot of the stuff that I bought. This has been months of accumulating packages and stuff, so we will be surprised together. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, first off, from my godparents, we have a Samsung TV. This is gonna go in the guest bedroom. I'm only gonna have 2 TVs in my house. One is gonna be a flat screen mounted onto the wall in the living room, and then this one is gonna go in the guest bedroom. Let's start with these. From Williams Sonoma, I got an ice cream scooper, a little food dicer and scooper, this set of 6 melamine mixing bowls that all come with lids, and each of these are different quart sizes. This is gonna be great for storing food and also for baking. The classic waffle knit kitchen towels. The same day we went to Williams Sonoma, we also went to Target and I got this Cuisinart 5-speed hand mixer in white. This little honey pot, which stores honey. It's the cutest thing ever. Then this little salt jar, which I will store my salt in. I also can't show you guys this because I am gonna have it delivered whenever I move, but I bought a fridge today and a washer and dryer, and the purchase actually qualified for this hamper, so that is where all of the things I just showed you are now being stored. This is gonna be really helpful and saved me a purchase of buying a hamper. All right, next. In here, we have little bowls from a store called Fred Meyer's. All right, so I got 4 of these adorable wooden bowls. They're great for little salads. And then I bought a bigger version of that, which looks like this. And this will probably be like the big salad bowl. And it's super deep, lots of room. Also from Fred Meyer's, I bought a bunch of dishes. This is a mini square dip dish. I bought a bunch of these little stacked cereal bowls. They're super cute. Oh. A set of these stacked salad plates, and then same style, but these are stacked dinner plates. I really wanted a white theme for my dishware. Fred Meyer's literally had the cutest sets. Next up, I've got packages from Djerf Avenue. This is a brand based out of Sweden, and I love their stuff. So from here, I ordered my pillowcases, my duvet cover, and I think some other stuff. Oh my gosh. Stop. Okay, so this is what my pillowcase looks like. It's the Summer Island pillowcase. And then I have my Summer Island Berries duvet cover. I'm not gonna take it out because then I'm gonna have to refold it, but this is what it looks like. So adorable. Then I've got another package from them, so okay, I forgot I got another pillowcase because when I ordered the first one, which I just showed you, I didn't realize that it came separately. It doesn't come in a set. So I had to order another one, but that's okay because it gave me an excuse to buy this adorable multicolored headband, which I'm actually gonna be taking back to Texas with me because it's so cute. And I bought the summer fruit towel, which looks like this. So cute. This is literally gonna be perfect. I'm gonna be leaving this here though. This box is from Amazon, I think. I'm pretty sure this is Amazon. I'm so excited to open the rest of these, especially this crate and barrel package. Oh my gosh. This is my king size insert that is gonna go inside of my summer berries duvet. And I think if I take this out, it might like expand, and I really don't wanna do that. So I'm just gonna leave it in here, but that is what that is for. Let's do this box right behind me. This is a blender from Ninja. We currently have this one at home. So excited because I'm already familiar with it and I'm gonna make so many smoothies and shakes in this. In this box is more things from Fred Meyer's. I believe these are, okay, these are more plates and salad plates. From Williams Sonoma, I got this 6-piece ultimate bakeware set. This little guy was very pricey, but I think it'll be worth it because it has a collection of all of the bakeware that you'll need, like square pans, loaf pans, muffin pans, and sheet pans. All right, from Crate & Barrel, I've got this little tiny box. Stop, I forgot, but I purchased this little berry white colander thing. Look at how adorable this is. This is perfect for washing fruit, even just serving it in this. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. All right, big box from Amazon. I'm gonna put my hair up because it is so hot in here right now. Also, I'm gonna take my rings off. I ordered a bunch of things from Amazon, so at this point, I feel like the kitchen knives are probably in here. Yes, they are. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I really wanted like the aesthetic white kitchen knife look. I found this on Amazon, and this is the Cuisinart Classic Forged Triple Rivet Poultry 15-piece set. So it comes with knives and scissors. There's chef knives, slicing knives, steak knives, sharpening, all of these types of knives. So excited. And then what else do we have? Ooh, these are glass straws. These weren't a necessity, but you know, saving the earth is a necessity, I guess. So I bought a bunch of these glass straws. Right now they're all wrapped. All right, and last thing I got from Amazon in this box is my kitchen utensil set. I'm gonna actually take this out to show you guys because I really want to see it myself. I got these in gray. This is the color of what they look like. And there's just a bunch of them in here. I'm gonna take off the plastic on all these. Holy cow, these are all so heavy. This is my pans and pots, I believe. I ordered all of these from Crate & Barrel, but the brand itself is from Green Pan. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay, this can... Oh my god, this is so heavy. This is the 10-piece set of what I got. I'm gonna turn it to the side so that you can see all of the pots and pans in here. This is what we have. The Green Pan is really well known because it is ceramic nonstick pans. My mom really recommended me to get this. I want to take one out though because I'm curious to see what it looks like. My mom is here, guys. I'm struggling to take this one out right here. Oh, Mom, look at how pretty this is.
It's beautiful. I love it. Is it the Green Pan?
Yeah, this is the Green Pan. Another package literally just arrived here. That's why my mom came in here. Another package from Amazon. I already know what this is as well because I ordered it yesterday in the living room right here. So my godmother, she has these adorable little spice jars that she ordered off of Amazon, but it also came with a sticker pack. So you can put the name of the spice that you have and you can find it on a list of all of these like names on the sticker pack. This is gonna make organizing my pantry so much easier, and I can just fill each of the jars with this sort of salt, spice, or whatever. This is probably to put the seasonings and spices in easily into the glass tube. Then we have all of the sticker packs of the different seasonings. I'm just gonna show you guys this. This is the spice jars. I think there's 24 of these, but it's little glass bottles. It comes with a sticker for the top that says the spice, and then one that you put actually on the side. Fun. Next up, we have an air fryer. I actually got this today for $25 because I purchased so much stuff between the fridge, the washing machine, and the dryer. So the store that we went to, I forgot the name of it, but I'll put it on the screen, said that you can get an air fryer for $25 because I qualified for it. So I got this bad boy for $25, and this is perfect because I love air fryers and I think they're the next big thing. Big box coming in from Target. Before I open this big box from Target, I got this mirror the other day whenever I got my honey pot and salt jar. It's a light wood grain finish wall mirror. I love circular mirrors. They're very big and trendy right now. So I think I'm gonna put this in the guest bedroom. Oh, yay! First I have Queen sheet set, which is a 400 thread count, This is gonna be going in the guest bedroom, and I feel like white is just a signature great color. And it goes perfectly with my comforter, which I'll show you guys now. This comforter is from the Magnolia line. It is the yarn dye stripe comforter set. This is what it looks like up close. This comes with the comforter and 2 standard shams. My favorite thing about this comforter is it has these little accent stitchings and a little cross shape. Oh my gosh. Big, humongous box from Crate & Barrel. This is the last package. Then I actually have this thing right here, but I can show you guys that in person. All right, Crate & Barrel, I got a ton of things from here. This is gonna be a big, exciting purchase. I've already bought so many things at home back in Texas that I haven't even showed you guys yet. Maybe that will be a separate video, but I know for sure I got the Smeg toaster in cream. As in this order, I got the airtight glass bottle, a white kettle, a Duralex 10-piece bowl set, and 3 Aspen White ceramic canisters. My eyes immediately gravitated towards this little bottle because I was thinking that whenever I host people or just when I'm by myself and there's glasses on the table, I can just fill this with water and then people can just pour water out of it. Yeah, it just really reminded me of like European, Scandinavian scenery. The thing that I love about the canisters that I got is that there are 3 different sizes. I got all 3 sizes, 1 of each. I might actually get more if I end up really liking these. But as you can see, it comes with a wooden lid on a white jar, and they each come with a little scooper. I can put flour in here, sugar, brown sugar. In here is the white kettle that I picked out. I have a kettle at home that I make tea in all the time. Something about the classic sound of a whistle just really makes me so happy. And look at how adorable it is. It's got a wooden handle up here and it's white all around. Oh, ow. Okay, I'm not gonna open the other 2 canisters that I got similar to the first one I just showed you, but just know one is in here and then the other one is packaged very nicely right here. Last thing from Crate & Barrel is the Duralex 10-piece set of bowls. These ones are all clear instead of white. I feel like I'm good to go. So these bowls just get smaller and smaller. And last but not least is this box right behind me. I can't bring that down, it's too heavy, but I bought 4 of these bar stools from Fred Meyer's. This is what they look like up close. It's called the Oliver bar stool and it is faux leather, so it's not real leather, which is good because I can just wipe things off if something easily spills on it. I actually bought these back in October when Maddie and I came out to Boise because I just fell in love with them and they were so comfortable. So we have 4 of these. I am literally sweating. Are you guys sweating? Because that was a lot. That is it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. Be on the lookout for episode 3 of Going Solo Diaries. I'm so glad that y'all are here. Make sure to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.
I know a girl who's so fine, she's running laps around my heart. She's more than perfect, she's not the type to go play a part. She came and killed my whole life, and just like Mike Tyson